To record screen on POCO C75, you will have to just open the quick settings panel and you will have to use this screen recorder icon. But if you cannot find it, just search right here or even click on the edit button and try to take a look for this, screen recorder icon right here. So now when you want to turn it on, just tap on it once, and right here before you start recording, I can recommend you to click on this icon. And here you can find some parameters, like you can change resolution, video quality, you can select sound source, so we can, for example, record sound from your microphone, from the system sound, but you can also mute it, so your screen records doesn't have any sound. And now to start records, just click on this button, and now you can record whatever you want. If you want to finish, just tap right here and click on it one more time to finish. When you click on this folder icon, you will be redirected into your screen recorder videos.